Greetings. I had a change of heart, a change of mind. I didn't like the first one after I made it in wood, so I think it's best to have a redesign. And this is what I came up with now. First, you have a magazine here. I'll take that out. And this is the assembly. Take that out also. Explode. And there's another piece that left behind. There you go. Something like that. And of course you have your hammer. That's the hammer, trigger, etc. This here is your barrel and the air tank and a clamp. And the stock is wood. Several pieces. So that's how I make the stock. And each part will be fabricated individually, one at a time. So it's gonna take a few days or weeks or months. I don't really know how long it will take. Anyway, that's what I have. I'll, I'll post some progress as I go along. So, ayan, maraming tayong progress today. You can see inside, nandun na yung valve seat banda rito. Kulay brass. So, pwede na ilagay itong valve. Like that. Ayan. Tapos, wala tayong spring. Nalagyan ng spring yan. Tapos ito dito. Anyway. So, ganun na siya. Tapos may tornilyo na. Okay, if you notice, nakalabas to. Yan yung papaluin ng hammer. If you recall, yung hammer nasa loob nito. Like this. Yan yung hammer. So, pag tinornilyo yan, magkasama na, papaluin ng hammer, ito. Okay, can you see? Yan, tornilyo. Ayan, buo na. Ganyan yung itsura with the grip.